Hey guys, we're back again today, trying our luck. And today we have the holiday cash blowout, two of those, 19 and lucky 20. We have two, it's not much money, 68 and 69, and number 69 also on the holiday cash, which is what we are going to start with. On this ticket, all you have to do is match three like amounts. Super easy. And the odds? They are 1 in 4.34. Zoom on in here and start with our Scratch and Mama dog tag. Available in 8 different colors for $5 each. Or if you become a reoccurring channel member for 2 full months, you get one in your choice of color for free. We have a 25, a 1, 100, another 1, 500, and 25. No winner on that one. But that's all right. We'll just move on to the Snow Much Money. It is a match and win. The bell is double. And that little reindeer, he is 5 times. And the bonus, if we find Santa's sleigh, we win the prize shown. And the odds are 1 in 4.12. Not zoom in that much. We're going to switch to our friend Dazed and Scratchin's coin. We are looking for 24 and 15. We have 13. 23 is one off. 2. 6. 27. 22. 5. 25 is one off. 10 and 8. No matches. See if we have Santa's sleigh down here. We do. Let's go ahead and screenshot that. Let's see what we're going to get. Little zeros. $2. We'll take it. And we have one more to try. A little more. There we go. On this one, we are looking for 24 and 5. We have 22. 21. 12. And 18. 6. 28. 17. 3. 27. And 9. No matches. See if we can find Santa's sleigh again. Well, they gave us a jacket. That's all right. We'll just move on to the holiday cash blowout. On this one, we're just looking for symbols. We find the money bag. We win the prize shown. The gift is $25. The ornament is $50. And Santa's sleigh, that is $200. In the bonus, if we find the bells, we get 50. And the holly is 200. The odds on this one are 1 in 5.74. Let's zoom on in here. And switch to our friend Foo Scratchers. Well, have it upside down. All right. Money bag, gift, ornament, or Santa's sleigh. we have candy, a jacket, a star, some fire, the mountains, a scarf, a rabbit, the lantern, a plum, a shovel, a pencil. There's that empty wallet. Snowman, a stocking. Last chance here. It's a tree. All right, well, let's hope we have some bells or holly in this bonus. It's the gingerbread man. But that's all right, we have one more to try, and it's lucky 20. We have a cabin, a mitten, a pencil, a star, a candle, a jacket, an igloo, a hat. A hat throws me off every time. I always think it's the money bag. A shovel, a wreath, a cute little deer, the tree, some mountains, goggles, and our last chance here is a plum. All right, bells are holly up here. And they gave us some cocoa. That's all right, guys. It wasn't a bust. Out of our 15, we got back $2. So, if you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I post every day at 11 a.m. Central, so I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, I have channel memberships, so I would like to take a minute to showcase all my wonderful members and thank them for becoming a member. I appreciate each and every one of you, and everything you guys do for me does not go unnoticed. So, thank you, and I appreciate you.